Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Advanced Features. Now click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher at the top in order to activate it. When it's on, scroll down and tap on one of those options to set up the best one to reduce display size with, gesture or button. Then follow all of the instructions below the chosen one. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can change placement of it by tapping on one of those icons on one of its sides. You can also hold this line at the top and drag it. If you wish to go back to standard size screen, just click on this blurry area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely though, click on this switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!